Many people use AI tools, but only a few get truly professional results. The secret isn't the tool itself, it's the prompt. In this video, you'll learn how to write perfect prompts for any AI tool, with real examples of bad and good prompts. And at the end, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT write the perfect prompt for you, for tools like Veo 3 or Nano Banana. The bad prompt. Let's start with something simple. You want ChatGPT to write a video script about AI. So you type, write a video about AI. The result? Generic, boring, and with no clear goal. You've probably seen that before, right? The good prompt. Now look at this version instead. You are a YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 1-minute script about how AI helps creators save time. Use a friendly tone and end with a motivational line. Instantly, it sounds better. Structured, engaging, and clear. That's the power of a good prompt. So, what makes a prompt truly great? It's built on 4 simple elements: goal, context, tone, and structure. First, define the goal. Tell the AI exactly what you want to achieve. Example, write a YouTube script that explains AI tools in a friendly tone. Second, provide clear context. Give background information, who the audience is, what platform it's for, or why you need it. That helps the AI understand your intent. Third, add style and tone. Decide how it should sound, cinematic, educational, or casual YouTube style. The tone changes everything. Finally, format or structure. Tell it how to organize the result, bullet points, sections, or a full script. And that's it. 4 simple steps to level up your results.
Now, let's try an image example using Nano Banana. A basic prompt might be a man working on a computer. The result? Plain and forgettable. Funny thing, sometimes the simple prompts actually look cleaner. Yeah, even this bad one gave me something decent. But remember, the goal isn't to get lucky, it's to get control over your results. So let's improve the prompt. Try this. A young man working in a futuristic office surrounded by holographic screens and neon lights, cinematic lighting, 3D render, ultra-realistic style. Now, that's something that looks like a movie shot. One is ordinary, the other is professional. But what if you're not great at writing prompts yet? Here's the smart part. Let ChatGPT do it for you. Let's say you have an image, and you want to turn it into a short cinematic video using Veo 3. You can type something like this. I have an image of a man walking in the rain. I want to turn it into a cinematic short video using Veo 3. Write me a detailed prompt for that. And ChatGPT might reply, create a cinematic slow-motion shot of a man walking alone in the rain, reflections on the wet street, emotional atmosphere, realistic motion, 4K lighting. Pretty cool, right? And you can do the same with Nano Banana. For example, write me a prompt to blend 2 people naturally using Nano Banana. In seconds, you get a polished, professional prompt ready to use. You don't need to be a prompt expert. AI can be your co-writer.
Now here's an even smarter trick. Sometimes you already have a reference image, maybe something you found online or a design you like. Just show it to ChatGPT and say something like, I want to create a video that looks like this image. Please write me a detailed prompt for Veo 3 that captures the same style and mood. ChatGPT will instantly analyze the visual details, the lighting, composition, and atmosphere, and then write you a professional-grade prompt automatically. Or try it with Nano Banana. Here's an image of a robot and a person shaking hands. Write me a prompt to recreate this same style and lighting. In seconds, you'll get a polished prompt that matches the look and mood of the image. You don't have to guess the right words anymore. Just show what you want, and ChatGPT builds the perfect prompt for you.
AI isn't magic. It's a reflection of how clearly you think.
Now it's your turn. The clearer your prompt, the sharper your results. Write, test, refine.
And you'll be amazed at how much better your outcomes become each time. Try these steps yourself and share your results in the comments. Which tool worked best for you? VO3 or Nano Banana? This is Profit Studio, where smart tools meet real results. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's into AI. See you in the next one. And before you go, check out this next video where I show you how to create professional AI videos step by step. It's right here on the screen, and trust me, you'll love it.